everyone. Today we are going to be reviewing how we can subtract three-digit numbers with regrouping using strategies. So our EQ, or our essential question for today, was how can I subtract three-digit numbers with regrouping using strategies? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve all of the same problem and use all of the strategies. So base 10, expanded form, and number line. So the first strategy I'm going to use is base 10. Remember, with subtraction, we draw or model our bigger number, which is 764. So 7 hundreds, 6 tens, and 4 ones. Now, remember, we are taking away or subtracting, so we are not adding to our model or our number that we already have. We're actually taking away. So remember that we are going to always start subtracting in our ones. So if I look to my ones place in 137, I'm taking away 7 ones. But when I come to my model down here to take away 7 ones, I don't have enough. So what do? I go next door to the tens place. I'm going to take one of those tens away and add those 10 ones to my ones place. So remember, 10 ones make a 10. So I'm going to go ahead and add those in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have enough ones to take away my 7 ones that I started with. So I'm going to go ahead and cross out or take away 7. Now I need to determine how many I have left. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones left. I'm done with my ones. I'm going to move over to my tens. I'm taking away 3 tens. So I'm going to go ahead and cross out or subtract those 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. And I'm left with 2 tens. Done with my tens, I'm going to move to the hundreds. Taking away 100, I have enough. I'm going to cross out or take away that 100, and I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my difference, or my answer, is 627. Now let's practice using the number line strategy. So obviously I'm doing number line. I need to draw a number line. Remember, our larger number is going to go on the end, and I'm going to be working backwards. I'm taking away. So the first thing I'm going to do is take away those ones. So I'm going to count backwards 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And each one we're counting by ones because we always take away our ones first. So 764, 763, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 757. Now I jump to my tens. I'm going to make 3 jumps of 10. 1, 2, 3. And each one is minus 10. Now I'm going to count backwards by 10. So 757, 747, 737, 727. Now I can move to my hundreds. I'm going to make one big jump of 100. We're going to go back 100, and we're left with 627, which is exactly what we got there. So that is our difference. Last but not least, we have expanded form. So the very first thing I'm going to do is write out my numbers in expanded form. 764 in expanded form is 700 plus 60 plus 4. And we're subtracting. That is my operation. Subtract 100 plus 30 plus 7. I always start at my 1, so 4 minus 7. Can I do it? No, because 4 is smaller than 7. So I'm going to have to move over to those 10s. I'm going to have to take a 10. 60 minus 110 leaves me with 50. And now that 110 goes back to the 1. So 10 plus 4 is 14. Now I can do 14 minus 7 is 7. 50 minus 30 is 20. 700 minus 100 is 600. Write this in standard form, 627. Now, before we go, I do want to show you a double regrouping problem. only with the base tens because I know that's what many of us are comfortable with using. So remember, I'm going to model out, my bigger number, so 700s, 110, and 3 ones. Now, I always start with my ones place first. I'm going to take away 4 ones. I come down to my model, but I only have 3, so I don't have enough. I'm going to have to move over to my tens, take that 10 away, and remember, 10 ones make a 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have enough to take away those 4. So I'm going to cross them out, take them away. And I am left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Done with my ones. I'm going to move to my tens. I'm going to take away 3 tens, but when I get here, I definitely don't have enough. So I'm going to have to move to my hundreds. I'm going to have to borrow from the hundreds. I'm going to have to take a hundreds block and bust it up. And remember, 10 tens make 100. So I'm going to draw my 10 tens over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have enough to take away those 3. So 1, 2, 3. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I move to my hundreds. 6 hundreds now minus 100 leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 579. And that will be my difference. I hope this video helped. If you still need help, please reach out to Ms. Long. Have a good day, friends.